Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday 25th, I do believe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh boy. Definitely excited from this. And of course, you guys will get this at a low cost. Click on the link down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Not sure where this is coming from. Somewhere in Cali, I think. There we go. Oh boy. What is inside? And you... What is this? Oh boy. Mystery item. Oops. Well, hopefully we don't blow up. Oh boy. A bunch of stuff here. Ooh. Oh, this is coming from my good friends over at Besteker HD Cam with the camera mic. Cool. Take a look at this. Oh yeah, here we go. And it's so hot outside by us right now. It's crazy. Mid-90s. Hot one in Michigan. Whoa, everything's falling out. Easy, easy. That's a battery pack. Come with 2 battery packs, so that's always a good thing to have extra for you guys' vlogging, streaming. Nice mic. I got this. Nice remote. We got the goodies. Manual, we don't need that. This is going to be the charging base for your batteries. Bada boom. Got the HDMI cord. Awesome. Ooh, looks like the lens cover. And USB. Now let's get into this guy. Nice little travel pouch. There's straps. Little carry on. Really cool. Oh, this is nice. Whoa. All right. Where is power? I might have to put the battery in. Oh. Oh. You saw me. Hello. Let me figure out where the battery goes. Yep, it needs a battery. Comes with 2 of these also, so that's a good bonus. And bada boom. And I believe you could hook up a tripod to it. Good stuff. Almost done. Give it about 1 second. Just gotta put this in. I need to get some SD cards. Alright. Here we go. Awesome. That down right here. boy. Oh shoot. Hold on one sec. Here is the mic. I think I got enough time to make this video. My phone's gonna be dead. Definitely needed camera setup. USB charge. Got the mic. Got like this. Really simple setup. Boom. Pop this off. Like that. And bam. Now I gotta do is plug it in. Back. Here is a slot. Come on, baby. There we go. Got the mic in hand. Got this nice screen. Perfect size. Lightweight. Easy to carry. Really nice. Check them out, YouTubers. Besteker. Amazon Prime. 24 megapixels. Touch panel. High definition. Alright, YouTubers. Have a good weekend. Have a safe holiday and be safe. See ya.